long time no speak. So for today's video, I'm just gonna be doing a cheeky like day out with me, and then I'm gonna go to the beach alone. So I do need to like get ready first, cause so yeah, I'm gonna get ready. So I'll take you along with me. Why am I going to the beach alone? Great question. No one's in here. No one's here. No one is in single, and I don't really want to just sit at home. We're gonna be going out. It takes about an hour and a half to actually get to the beach. I'm gonna go tanning, and it's all gonna be chill. So I just need to like put my jewelry on, and then I can go. Perfect. I just got all the way to the bus, and I realized I don't have a towel. So I'm walking all the way back. I'm trying to find 7-Eleven, but I don't remember which way it is, so I might have just gotten off too early. I don't really know, but I'm gonna try to find it. So I'm gonna get slushies. So yeah. I got my slushie. And yeah, I think I'm gonna like set camp like here. I'm like not even like under anything, I'm like in the middle of the sand. So whatever. What to do when you put me in your arms? I can do no more. Got a whole lot of love for you, and I just don't know what to do. My tan is going well. It's cooking. Yeah, it's like not too hot now, so it's really nice. It's in like windy. I took a nap. So yeah, going pretty chill. What to do? What to do when you put me in your arms? I can do no more. Got a whole lot of love for you. I'm literally like starved. I somehow found a donkey, so eating a sushi donkey. What to do? What to do? What to do? Okay, so I'm back. Halfway through today, my phone started overheating. I thought it was gonna explode, but it didn't, so it's all good. Somehow managed to perfectly time my outing because really like the second I left it started raining, which is kind of crazy. Just wanted to show you guys the earrings I got. So yeah, so I'm gonna try one of them. Did I just get that in like first try? Ooh, I actually kind of like that. That's about it for today's video. Yeah, it was just pretty chill, you know, just going out by myself. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. I don't know if the camera is fully encapsulating how red I look right now, but this is just a little